Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another DIY. Today's video is about how to replace the front brakes on this E90 2008 BMW 328i. I will put a link all the parts I used in the description below. So let's do it. Make sure you use a jack stands for safety. I use this guide pin to hold the tire while I'm removing the lug bolts. This is a very time-consuming DIY. Just be patient, take your time, and take breaks in between. Remove the clip. Remove the dust plug from the guiding bolt. One on the top and one on the bottom. Use a 7mm Allen socket to remove the two guiding bolts. I use this tool from Harbor Freight to compress the caliper for easy removal. I use this hook to hold the caliper so it won't damage the brake line. Remove the brake pad. Pull out the brake pad wear sensor. Remove the other brake pad. Use an 18mm socket to remove the two bolts from the caliper bracket. Turn the wheel all the way to the right so you have a better access. Use a 6mm Allen socket to remove the screw from the rotor. Remove the brake pad wear sensor harness. Turn the wheel all the way to the right to get some space. Press the locking tab down and pull out. Clean the wheel hub. clean the caliper bracket and wear a good dust mask. Brake dust is bad for your lungs. Also clean the caliper. I always order my parts from FCP Euro because they have a lifetime replacement guarantee. I ordered the front brake kit, so I get all the parts that I need. I applied an anti-seize compound around the wheel hub, so the wheel will not get stuck. I forgot to apply some anti-seize compound on the rest of the wheel hub for the rotor not to get stuck. Align the hole for the screw. You don't need to torque this one, as long as it's tight, that's good enough. Reinstall the caliper bracket with those two 18mm bolts. Check the brake fluid reservoir. Make sure it will not overflow when you compress the piston from the caliper. Make sure to clean the reservoir before removing the cap. You don't want any debris falling into the reservoir. Put the old brake pad in between the piston and the tool and compress the piston all the way in. This is what I'm talking about. Use a turkey baster to remove some fluid. Be very careful. Brake fluid will damage the paint of the car. Remove the tool and the old brake pad. Make sure the brake pad wear sensor are identical. I love these ceramic Akebono pads. Less brake dust goes on your wheels. You also need an anti-rattle grease. Apply the anti-rattle grease on the metal part of the brake pad. Install the brake pad wear sensor. It should snap into place. Install the brake pad into the piston until it's fully seated. Make sure to wipe off all the grease on the pads if there's any. Clean the two guide bolts. Use a Scotch-Brite pad. It works very well. Apply grease on those guide bolts. Reinstall the dust cap. This plastic part came with the kit. Remove the old one and install the new one. This part is used to secure the brake pad wear sensor harness. Reconnect the harness and secure it inside the box. Make sure to route the brake pad wear sensor harness correctly. Reinstall the clip. Align those two tabs. Use a pry bar or a flathead screwdriver. Push the clip to your right until it is secured. I applied a small amount of anti-seize compound to the bolts. Make sure the brake fluid is in max level. That's it, all done. If you like this DIY, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's more DIYs to come. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Later.